The vastest, the smallest, the deepest, all are measurable. As we looked up at the galaxy for the first time, as we lit a torch for the first time, humankind started off the exploration of the world with tools, and the scope of our understanding is ever expanding too. Every small step towards higher accuracy on the scale is a giant leap for the future of humankind. Throughout the history of discovery, scientists have indulged in endless invention of tools to push the limit of knowledge. Following in the footsteps of our predecessors, the journey ahead is still long.
Scientists found that freezing biomolecules in liquid nitrogen is an effective way to keep the state as if they were in the original cells. Today, thanks to the Cryo-EM, the structure of a large variety of biomolecules can be elaborately analyzed. If we can get these protein structures at the highest resolution via Cryo-EM, then we can apply computational technologies to design specific drug molecules that react to large proteins, and then synthesize the molecules. Then it is made possible by such indications to develop drugs for the specific disease. For Cryo-EM, computation is the final key step. Without computation, Cryo-EM can catch a bunch of blurry pictures, which are not easy to interpret for structural biologists. But with the computational science, we can restore the scattered information and paint the pictures into a detailed, sophisticated, three-dimensional atomic structure model. To a certain extent, it is the computational science that has the Midas touch, because it is an interdisciplinary research that requires knowledge of genomics, structural biology, machine learning, and computational biology. Only few labs around the world, us included, are capable of exploiting this frontier technology. For the past century, the development of pharmaceutics has been through leaps and bounds. But to this day, not a single pharmaceutical company, even the tycoons, has made a breakthrough in the methods for drug discovery. Shuimu Bio is one of the first companies to use Cryo-EM for driving new drug discoveries. We're also the first platform in Asia to use 300 kilovolt Cryo-EM for structure analysis of macromolecules. And to push the digitalization of drug discovery, we must seize the opportunity of technological transition in combining structural biology with artificial intelligence together, so that we can have our unique path to make creative breakthroughs. Shuimu Bio's mission is to push the industrialization of Cryo-EM and the digitization of drug discovery to make drug discovery faster and more affordable, to cure the incurable diseases, to lengthen our lives, to prolong happiness.
Backed by the expertise in life science and computational science, with the full cooperation of leading pharmaceutical companies and research institutions, Shuimu Bio is standing on the shoulders of giants. The journey to the vast future starts from how small that we can see right now. Let's make our focus closer and closer, so that people will never be parted by sickness. Scale for accuracy. Scale for the future.